Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw this. It's really simple. Looks pretty cool. It might print good on a dark shirt or a black shirt. And you can use multiple colors. I'm just going to draw a 2-point line. And I'm going to hit P and put it at the center of the page. I'm going to grab the shape tool. And I'm going to select both nodes. And I'm going to go right here and add a node. That put a node right in the middle. I'm going to select them all. I'm going to right click and I'm going to turn them into a curve. I'm going to select them all. I'm going to right click. I'm going to turn them into symmetrical. When I do symmetrical, every movement I make with this middle node is going to be copied at the bottom. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and I'm going to mirror it. Now I'm going to change the thickness of one line to like 10 points. I'm going to change the other one to like maybe a half a point. And then I'm going to make one of them light blue and make the other one, I'm going to make this one different. So I'm right clicking on the colors. Take both items, go up to effects and blend. I'm going to blend them 20 times. Look at that. That simple. And you could do many more times. Now, you can see that the rotation is not up on our screen because we need to go to object and break the blend apart. As soon as we do that, we get a rotation. I'm going to Control D, and because it's in the center of the screen, I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Control D, Control D. And there you have it. Now, in the center, you're going to see some more, maybe too many lines. You could fuzzy it up, or you could take an ellipse and hit P, make it a color, take away the outline, and then go up to effects and blur and Gaussian blur and blur it quite a bit. Look at that. It kind of blurred it into the lines. And you could play around with this. It looks really good and just using blacks and grays. That's pretty cool. I actually like my first one first, or the best. And if you would have blended them more, you wouldn't see these individual lines. Let's just back up here and do that. It's kind of fun to play with. So here's before we blended it. Let's blend it 35 times. See, our rotation's gone. Go up to object, break the blend apart. As soon as we do that, we get our rotation. Control D and group them together. Let's go 22.5% this time. Now you're going to get some definite lines of color. And I might even make a second video if we would fuzzy the lines up before we blended them. Maybe something would happen. I'm going to fill that in this time with a darker blue and no outline. Effects, blur, and Gaussian blur. I'm going pretty far with the blur, but it really makes it look like a flower. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.